To the Trump administration reaching a deal with China, both sides agreeing to temporarily reduce their tariffs while they negotiate. The news sparked a stock market rally. Our chief business correspondent Rebecca Jarvis is tracking the latest for us. Good morning, Rebecca.
Good morning to you, Robin. And the Dow surged more than 1,100 points yesterday, with the U.S. and China agreeing to that dramatically reduced tariffs first imposed by President Trump. Now 90 days for that pause. That pause, though, raising hopes that tariffs won't tip the U.S. economy into recession. A surge of optimism on Wall Street following temporary tariff relief. Stocks soaring, with the Dow, S&P 500, and Nasdaq posting their best day in over a month as the White House rolled back the 145% tariff on Chinese goods to 30%.
I think it's going to be fantastic for China. I think it's going to be fantastic for us. And I think it's going to be great for unification and peace.
Even with the relief, Americans still set to face price increases. The tariffs, previously estimated to cost an additional $4,900 per household, but with the reduction, it's now $2,800. In April, the U.S. collected $16.3 billion in customs duties, more than double a year ago, likely reflecting tariffs on steel and aluminum products from Mexico and Canada. These costs passed on to businesses and consumers. When asked if that 145% tariff will go back into effect if a longer-term deal isn't reached with China, the president downplaying the possibility.
No, but they would go up substantially higher. I think you will have a deal, however.
Meantime, stocks this morning are pointing a little bit lower. The focus today is on inflation, the prices that we pay. A new report out later today is expected to show prices were up about 2.4% from last year. That's not a huge increase, but a little bit more than economists would like to see, Michael.
Yeah, a little more expensive everything is. Thank you so much for that, Rebecca.